Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel to HubSpot. This integration is incredibly useful if you're managing customer relationships across both platforms and want to automate your workflows seamlessly. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to your GoHighLevel login page. Once you're there, enter your credentials and click Login. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can access all of GoHighLevel's features and integrations. Now that you're logged in, shift your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your account and workflows. Look for and click on App Marketplace. This is where GoHighLevel houses all its available integrations and third-party applications. Clicking this will direct you to the App Marketplace page, which serves as your hub for connecting external tools. Once you're in the App Marketplace, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a search bar there. Click on it and type in HubSpot. This search function makes it easy to find specific integrations without having to scroll through the entire marketplace manually. From the search results, locate and click on HubSpot Action Automation by Plugins. This is the official integration tool that will enable the connection between your GoHighLevel and HubSpot accounts. Selecting this option is crucial as it's specifically designed to facilitate automated actions between the two platforms. You'll now be directed to the App Overview page. Take a moment to review the information presented here. You'll see details such as the app category, pricing structure, version number, and who has permission to install it. Scroll down to explore its features, read through user reviews, and check the permission details. This gives you a clear understanding of what the integration can do and what access it requires. Once you're satisfied with what you've read, click on Install. After clicking Install, you'll be redirected to a new window. This window will ask for several permissions that the integration needs to function properly between GoHighLevel and HubSpot. These permissions typically include access to your contacts, workflows, and automation settings. If you agree to grant these permissions, click on Allow and Install. This final step authorizes the connection and completes the integration setup. And there you have it. Your GoHighLevel and HubSpot accounts are now connected, allowing you to automate tasks and sync data between both platforms effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.